Welcome to the Smart Awning system. In this video, we'll examine the smart parts that come with the standard awning kits. The first smart part is the extrusion tubing, which has an anodized finish. As you see here, this will be the bones for fabric overlay with 4 modular slots, as we'll discuss the features and benefits of this in our next video on assembly. This is a cross-section of the extrusion. The holes are threaded, allowing for the button head screws and end clips to join each profile tube together. As you will see on the other side of this, has the screw already inserted. The next smart part is the miter ends for joining and locking the rafters to the truss and head bar. The miter ends function is to allow for a smooth canvas overlay. It has bored holes for screws and a block underneath for inserting into the groove of the extrusion profile. As you see here, it slides into place on the tube effortlessly. Then lock it into place with your Allen wrench or power drill. The next smart part is the miter triangle, also used to attach rafters to the truss and head bar of the awning frame for smooth fabric overlay. The next smart part is the end clip, as discussed earlier, which attaches to the ends of the tube with a button head screw. And another part included in the kit is the slot nuts. This part with a button head screw is used as a locking mechanism to join the profiles together within the frame. The kit also comes with 3 sizes of button head screws to fit into the holes of the other parts. An Allen wrench is used to tighten the screws. J-clamps can be purchased separately as needed for securing entire awning frame to the existing wall. These J-clamp mounts will not allow frame to move once in place. However, a standard awning Z-clamp can be used to secure the frames for mounting as well. This concludes all of the smart parts needed to complete the building of your smart awning system frame. In the next video will be instructions on how easy it is to assemble a smart awning frame. Thanks for joining us, and watch for our next video.